Good morning, Caleb here with Sunfine Solar. Welcome back to another installment of the Solar Life series. We have completed another installation. This particular installation is just a simple grid tie system, but what makes this system unique is we have modules facing the south, east, west, and north. So for this system, we just wanted to highlight and discuss module mounting in this fashion and how even mounting modules to the north can be very beneficial. Let's have a look at this system. North facing roof is a 66% reduction over south. This equates to 1.91 kilowatt hours per kilowatt per day. South facing roof is our baseline at 2.9 kilowatt hours per kilowatt per day. West is an 80% reduction at 2.32 kilowatt hours per kilowatt per day. East is an 82% reduction versus south at 2.38 kilowatt hours per kilowatt per day. The system also utilizes optimizers under each module to manage system production, connected to a 10 kilowatt Solar Edge inverter. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video informative, and we'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.